Wagwan, we're there again, and me I tell you, say the other day, me I listen to the news, and the news reporter say there's a group of people in front of the White House where they demonstrate, and then go over to them, and a few people say they want to interview them. So they realize say the people them have on the MAGA hat and the MAGA clothes, and they say yeah, are some Donald Trump supporters. You see me? So them man out of the crowd and them interview him. So them are asking some questions. They ask him, say, if he in support of the whole Trump immigration policy and where Trump do ICE pick up the people and deport the people. And him say, yeah, him 100% in support of it. A matter of, and he say him vote for Trump. So them ask him, say, oh, him coming to the country. And him say, him coming to the country illegal. And then he eventually get him papers. So them a say, but hold on there. So you feel like say if you did for come in at the country now, you think either the same way you come in, Them a tell him say if you did for come now, you get stopped, or them that pick you up and send you back to your country. You in agreement. He say you not care. Him say him not care. Him say him coming to your country illegal, but him tired of the illegal people. Him fed up with the illegal people and he want the whole of them to get deported. You see me, I say, I just did it and I shake me and I say, hold on there. This man really, where this man but then me I look into it and I say, say enough of we stay so. Enough of we stay so. You see me, I say, me don't know if a bad mind, selfish, or, where them call it over here, gatekeeping. You see me, I say, when you reach through the gate, because you get your papers now, everybody else be after you. You have to lock the gate and stand up there and guard it, so nobody else can get the same opportunity where you get. So it kind of lick me and wake and me say, yo, Jano, him come here illegal, and him eventually get him papers them, and I run him from him country to seek better opportunity. But him vote for Trump. And now he must support Trump policies them now. For scrape up the people them like dog and deport them and send them back to their country. Even though I see him where him come in and he say he no care. He say he want the whole illegal them for garden yard. He no business. So because him come in and get film opportunity, I tell you say enough of we stay so. All we Jamaican, yeah. You see me I say enough of we come cross, and whether we come cross legal or illegal. Enough of we went and if we ever hear say one friend or one classmate or one somebody we grew up with or a family member, if you ever hear say them get visa, we get vexed. Your spirit turn and then start to, them get visa by not to mention if they ever hear say somebody for them overstay on a visa, or if they ever hear say somebody where they know run off. Them same one take up phone and call ICE on them people. Them same one rat you out, them same one give away. You see me I say? Because them get through already. Them cross the bridge. So then lift up the bridge. And nobody else will left on the other side of the come cross, even though them come cross the same way where the other people behind them are try get to. You see me I say, I understand say, like me say, me not promote nobody if you come over here and broke the law and overstay and come cross border illegally and all. That I know, me not promote that. You see what I say? They everywhere have rules and laws and immigration rules and laws where you have to follow. You see me? And whether you you come across legally or illegally, you have to deal with that yourself. But we just say in the end, the people are still human beings. And everybody look at opportunity just like the next man. You see me? So because you overstay upon a visa and you get through, and because you get through, you don't want nobody else to get through the same way or you get through. You want to be the last person who overstay upon a visa. You want to be the last person who come across the border. You want to be the last person who get an opportunity. You want to be the last person who run from persecution or run from a dangerous situation in the country and I seek help. You want to be the only person where that happen to. And everybody who is after that, you know, want them to get the same opportunity where you get. Maybe me just feel say them people a bad mind people me see me and just selfish. You see me I say? Cause everybody we have some bad apple in our bunch, but majority we just seek a better opportunity where we can help ourselves and help with family. You see me, I tell you say enough of we stay so where when we hear say somebody where we know come cross or day over here, I get the same opportunity where we get, we vex. Enough of we stay so, enough of we Jamaican we come here. Vex when time we hear say one next Jamaican get an opportunity, the same opportunity where they get. Them vex about it, man, and I mean I think say that right. You see me I say because everybody a look the same opportunity where you a look. You see me? And it no fear if you just you alone forget that opportunity and everybody else after you. You see me? And enough of them people, as me say, them same people, them sell you out. Them same people sell you out. Send your name to ICE and all them things there because they don't want you flourish. You see me? I say it's a thing where enough of we immigrant where we come get opportunity to come a foreign. It's like when you reach to a level or then get an opportunity, no matter how big or small it may be, it's like they want to have that power and that superiority if you know say, yeah, me they are foreign, you left back a yard, and me have more money than you. Me they are US, me can fly on plane, me can work US dollar. You have to down there, when me come a yard, me can show off on you. You see, if you get your opportunity now, them now nobody fish come show up and if you can come and say, yeah, me come pan plane and rent car and have that foreign smell and can want two soap gungi and something there. When they not they need them people if you left back a yard for them can come back and show off pan. You see me I say so it's a selfish mentality where enough of them people adapt. You see me I say where them want to just be the only one to have the opportunity so that they can show off for who left back a yard. And it's not right. You see me? So we just where the man the reporter interview the man and the man say him come across illegal. And him no business. He getting papers now and in no business. He want Trump scrape up the whole of them. We come across the same way how him come across. He don't want no more illegal in the country. And him come across illegal. You see me I say it's just it crazy, man. And enough of them where none reporter not talk to them. Enough of them were watching news. Then they are yeah man, scrape up the whole of them. Cause up to all of day, I talk to somebody on the phone and I tell him, and I tell me, say, yeah, man, I want to get rid of all of them. And I have to tell him, say, no, you can't look on it so. And all of them bad. And all of them bad. All of we look opportunity, you know. And all of them bad. You see me, I say, so, as me say, we just shed sunlight on this way. You know, it's not far away when we come here, we just feel like say foreigner for only we one. And when we come here, we don't want nobody else getting an opportunity. We left back a yard and it's not right. You see me? So whether they are legal or illegal, as me always say, we have to just hold strong, believe in a God, however way you come, whatever papers you have, green card, citizenship or you know none at all, you have to just trust in a God and just hold strong. You see me I say? And as we say, we have some bad apple in our bunch, but majority of we opportunity we are look. So we just have to hold strong and believe in a God and just hold it out. You see me? And find a way, somehow, wherever it there. You see me? Just trust in a God and just know say God will help you. You see it? You see me? I might have my papers and I might have my citizenship and whatever. But still can't figure out where me I come from. And but I want the next person get the same opportunity where me get too. But and everybody still like that. Just like that brother we say, scrape up the whole of them. You see me? So I just saw a thing set and enough of them CMP and them same people and same immigrant and them same people vote for Trump and put him in. You see me? And enough of them bad mind who left back. So I just saw a thing set now, you see me? So me just see that highlight that we show you say you have enough of who come here and bad mind. Because they don't want nobody else get the same opportunity where they get. So just hold strong. Until the next video. Bless.